Okay, good morning. So now video 5 and 6 I did that how to simplify the ITF. Now you have to find the value of the ITF. Is right? So see the question. This question is find the value of cos of sec inverse x plus cosec inverse x. Very simple. So that here the solution perfect with that. We have what they given that cos of sec inverse x plus cosec inverse x. By the ITF property, you know the value of sec inverse x plus cosec inverse x is pi by 2. So you can substitute cos pi by 2. So you know the value of cos pi by 2 is nothing but 0. This is one more question. So you got this. Suppose maybe one question they will give it cot of, here may be sin inverse A plus cos inverse A. So then what you have to write to find the value missing? This is nothing but the answer is become cot pi by 2. Is right? So the cot pi by 2 is nothing but 0. Is right? So similarly, like this question, one mark question proposed, it's a very important. Okay na? Yes. So next one question you will do. Now the next question is, okay, now you see this is the one of the most important question for 3 marks. This is also most important question for 3 marks. What the question is, find the value of x. You want to find the value of x. The condition is given if tan inverse this plus tan inverse this is equal to pi by 4. Very simple for this question. There is nothing difficult for that. What is this? First of all, the how to find the value of x by taking that condition. What the condition is given? Tan inverse of x minus 1 by x minus 2 plus tan inverse of x plus 1 by x plus 2 is equal to pi by 4. So now you see the LHS is the form of tan inverse x plus tan inverse y. You know the formula. This formula is nothing but tan inverse of, this formula is nothing but, you know the formula for tan inverse of x plus y upon 1 minus x into y. Is right? This formula you have to know that, and don't forget to write the RHS side is pi by 4 because you are taking this condition for finding the value of x. Now what you do? So the LHS tan inverse transfer to RHS. So then what will be left in the LHS? This is calculation, means you have to take LCM and cross multiplication. So that what the term have left after taking the LCM, x minus 2 into x plus 2, what the term has left? X plus 2 into x minus 1 plus x minus 2 into x plus 1 is right? Upon same you take the LCM and multiplication into 1, so we will get the LCM term is x minus 2 into x plus 2 cross multiplication x minus 2 into x plus 2 minus x minus 1 into x plus 1 is right, is equal to, is nothing but, I told you tan inverse you transfer to RHS is become tan pi by 4 is right. So then the next term is LHS you have to solve. Now here x minus 2 and x minus 2 is eliminate. Then you multiplication. After the multiplication, what term you have to get it? X into x, x square. Then minus x plus 2x, minus x plus 2x, plus 2 into minus 1, minus 1. Sorry, minus 2 is right. So next is plus symbol. Multiply this is also multiplication. You see x square is right. Then plus x minus 2x. Plus x minus 2x minus plus minus 2 upon is nothing but this is a minus b whole into a plus b. Formula is a square minus b square minus, again same formula, a minus b whole into a plus b is give result is x square minus 1 is right, is equal to the tan pi by 4 is 1. Clear? So that implies, look at here minus x plus x, here plus 2x minus 2x is eliminated, then x square plus x square is 2x square. Minus 2 is minus 4 upon, expand the bracket, x square minus 4 minus x square plus 1 is equal to 1. So the numerator is 2x square minus 4 upon, here plus x square minus x square cancel, minus 4 plus 1 is minus 3 is equal to 1. You want to find the x value, then in cross multiplication 2x square minus 4 is equal to minus 3. That implies 2x square is equal to minus 3 plus 4. That implies 2x square is equal to 1. So that implies x square is equal to 1 by 2. That implies x is equal to plus minus 1 by root 2. Do you understand clear? Very important. You have to write the plus minus. Okay now? So this is one of the most important problem. Nothing too difficult. Apply tan inverse x plus tan inverse y formula. Then you make it the general trigonometric function and LHS you have to calculate by taking the LCM and cross multiplication. Then you will get the answer. Here you have to locate minus x plus x cancel, plus 2x minus 2x cancel. Then what term is left? Here it is the formula for a minus b whole into a plus b. It is the formula for a square minus b square. Is right? So like that only. You have to find it. Once or twice you have to check it. Then you will get it. Okay? Write down. Okay. So now you see the question is find the value of tan of 1 by 2 of sin inverse 2x by 1 plus x square plus cos inverse 1 minus y square by 1 plus y square. This one value you have to find. Before that, we know the formula. What formula I told you? Sin inverse of 2x by 1 plus x square is equal to 2 tan inverse x. I told you formula. Because put x is equal to tan theta. So 2 tan theta by 1 plus tan square theta is become what? Sin 2 theta. Na? Sin inverse of sin 2 theta is become 2 theta. Theta you took to tan inverse x. So similarly, cos inverse of 1 minus y square by 1 plus y square also is become 2 tan inverse y. I told you formula. Similarly here, y is equal to tan theta, you substitute 1 minus tan square theta upon 1 plus tan square theta is cos 2 theta. Then you get it. So what the given condition here? So we have that tan 1 by 2 of sin inverse 2x by 1 plus x square plus cos inverse 1 minus y square by 1 plus y square. So that is called tan 1 by 2 of sin inverse 2x by 1 plus x square. Formula is 2 tan inverse x plus this formula is 2 tan inverse y. Now we can take 2 common. So when you take the 2 common, tan 1 by 2 into 2 of the bracket is contained tan inverse x plus tan inverse y. 2 is cancelled. After the cancel, what is the term in left? Tan of, but don't think the tan 1. 2 cancel, that is tan only. Tan of tan inverse x plus tan inverse y formula. What is that? Tan inverse of x plus y upon 1 minus xy. By using the inverse trigonometric function, tan inverse theta is equal to x plus y by 1 minus xy. That is your answer. Very simple. If you know these two formula, you can substitute here. Then you apply tan inverse x plus tan inverse y. You will get the inverse trigonometric property and a final answer. Is right? Check it once. Then you note down. Okay na? Right. Okay. Now you see the question. Solve tan inverse 2x plus tan inverse 3x is equal to pi by 4. The meaning of solve is find the value of x. You understand? So now same condition. See that solution is, we have the condition is tan inverse 2x plus tan inverse 3x is equal to pi by 4. That implies tan inverse x plus tan inverse y formula. So tan inverse of 2x plus 3x upon 1 minus 2x into 3x is equal to pi by 4. So same 2x plus 3x is become 5x upon 1 minus 2x into 3x, 6x square is equal to tan pi by 4. The tan pi by 4 value is nothing but 1. Now cross multiplication. So the cross multiplication means you get 5x is equal to 1 minus 6x square. Then make it a quadratic equation. 6x square plus 5x minus 1 is equal to 0. Make it factoration. So the factoration is 6x square because multiplication is 6 and subtraction case is 5. So plus 6x minus x minus 1 is equal to 0. Now take the common. So if you take 6x common, so then it will become x plus 1. So it is become x plus 1. If you take minus 1 common, it is become also x plus 1. So then 6x minus 1 is equal to 0. So if x plus 1 is equal to 0, that implies x is equal to minus 1. If 6x minus 1 is equal to 0, that implies 6x is equal to 1, that implies x is equal to 1 by 6. But now you see that, so here x are two values is getting. One is minus 1, one is 1 by 6. But both answers not be satisfied. Why means, what you got x value here, substituting the given condition. If you substitute x is equal to minus 1, you are what getting? Tan inverse minus 2 plus tan inverse minus 3. So tan inverse minus 2 plus tan inverse of minus 3 means meaning what? Minus you take common means it is become tan inverse 2 plus tan inverse 3. Na? What is the formula this is? Now tan inverse of 2 plus 3 5 divided by 1 minus what will get 2 3 is 6. Na? Is right? So here 1 minus 5 is equal to how much? Just imagine what will get 1 minus 5 is right. Just you see that. Here what about tan inverse minus 2? Here tan inverse of minus 3. So here minus tan inverse of minus theta is tan inverse of minus theta. Formula you know. Tan inverse of minus theta is minus tan inverse theta. So tan inverse of minus 2 is minus tan inverse 2. Tan inverse of minus 3 is minus tan inverse 3. So minus you take common. So then tan inverse of 2 plus 3. Then formula tan inverse of x plus y upon 1 minus xy. So 5 by minus 5 means minus tan inverse 1. You are getting negative answer. When you substitute x is equal to minus 1, you are getting negative answer. Is right? So when you substituting x is equal to minus 1, you are getting negative answer. But you want only pi by 4. So then what value satisfy? X is equal to 1 by 6. So then finally you have right. This value is impossible. So then what you have to get? X is equal to 1 by 6 is correct answer. Do you understand clear? Be careful. If x is equal to minus 1 you substitute here, then you can understand what we are getting. Okay now? Note down. Note down. Okay. So now we'll come to the question is tan inverse 1 minus x upon 1 plus x is equal to 1 by 2 tan inverse x. And you have to solve. Solve means you have to find x value, that x should be greater than 0. Okay. So now the condition is given tan inverse 1 minus x by 1 plus x is equal to 1 by 2 tan inverse x. Once you imagine tan inverse x minus y upon 1 plus x into y. X into y means x sub. So this can be written as tan inverse 1 minus tan inverse x. Y means the formula for tan inverse x minus y upon 1 plus x into y. So the formula for tan inverse x minus tan inverse y is equal to 1 by 2 tan inverse x. So that implies x term you make one side. X term you make one side means what will become 1 by 2 tan inverse x is there, minus tan inverse x you transfer means c plus tan inverse x, and this is as it is equal to tan inverse 1. Do you understand? So that implies 1 by 2 plus 1, that is called how much? 3 by 2 tan inverse x is equal to pi by 4. Are you understand clear? So now this 3 by 2 take and multiply here. What will get? That implies tan inverse x is equal to pi by 4 into 2 by 3. So that is called nothing but pi by 6. So tan inverse x is equal to pi by 6. That implies x is equal to tan pi by 6. That is nothing but you get the answer is 1 by root 3. So that what you got x? X is equal to 1 by root 3. You understand clear? Very simple problem. Try to understand. If you understand clear here, then it is nothing to problem to solve the problem. Because your 2 and 4 cancel. 2 pi, 2 3 is 6. Are you understand? Note down. Very important problem. Okay. Now we will discuss that 2 tan inverse of cos x is equal to tan inverse of 2 cosec x. Solve means find the value of x. So now you see the given condition is 2 tan inverse of cos x is equal to tan inverse of 2 cosec x. Now what you do? 2 tan inverse x formula. 2 tan inverse x formula. So the formula for 2 tan inverse x is tan inverse of 2x upon 1 minus x square is equal to tan inverse of 2 cosec x. So tan inverse, after that what left is 2 cos x upon 1 minus cos square x is nothing but can be written as sin square x is equal to here 2 cosec x is nothing but by the reciprocal form 1 by sin x. So now here 1 sin x and here 1 sin x is cancelled. After the cancel, here 2 also cancel, this 2 and this 2 also cancel. Then what is left? Cos by sin, that is called cot x. Here what left? 1. If cot x is equal to 1, x is equal to cot pi by 4. Sorry, cot inverse 1, which gives the answer is pi by 4. So that x is equal to how much? Pi by 4. Very small questions. Try to understand. You have to apply 2 tan inverse x formula. Then you simplify, automatically you get the answer. Very simple that. Is right? Once you see that, then you can understand easily. Then note down. Question for 1 mark. Very important question for 1 mark. Find the value of x. If sin inverse 1 by 5 plus cos inverse x is equal to 1. You want to find what is the value of x. So now you see that what condition is given. So you have the condition is sin inverse 1 by 5 plus cos inverse x is equal to 1. It can be written as okay. See the now this condition is, and now what you do that? Make it inverse trigonometric function. So then LHS is left sin inverse 1 by 5 plus cos inverse x is equal to sin inverse 1. You know the value of sin inverse 1 is pi by 2. So you know one condition. What condition you know? We know that the condition is sin inverse x plus cos inverse x is equal to pi by 2. Sin inverse x plus cos inverse x is equal to pi by 2. So that if we got here sin inverse 1 by 5 plus cos inverse x is equal to pi by 2, that implies x is equal to how much? 1 by 5 or not? Because sin inverse x plus cos inverse x is equal to pi by 2 now. So what you got of sin inverse 1 by 5 plus definite cos inverse 1 by 5 is become pi by 2 or not? Because when you sin you transfer, it is become sin inverse 1 and you got pi by 2. So definitely x is become 1 by 5. Do you understand clear? Yes. Check it once. Okay. Now you see the very important question. Find the value of tan inverse of 2 cos 2 sin inverse 1 by 2. Very simple. First to solve this bracket. How to solve, me see? Tan inverse of 2 cos of 2 into sin inverse 1 by 2 is nothing but pi by 6. Means sin 30 is 1 by 2. Is right? So that tan inverse of 2 cos, it is cancelled, it is become pi by 3. 2 and 6 cancel. So that is become tan inverse of 2 into cos pi by 3 is 1 by 2. 2 to cancel, tan inverse 1 which the gift result is pi by 4. Very simple to simplify. Is right? Check it once. Yes. So the next similar question. Find the value of sine of pi by 3 minus sine inverse minus 1 by 2. So see that by taking that condition, sine of pi by 3 minus sine inverse minus 1 by 2. So that can be written as sine of pi by 3 plus. Why it is plus? Sine inverse of minus theta is minus sine inverse theta. Is right? You know that sine inverse of minus theta is minus sine inverse theta. So this minus is become plus, and what is left? Sine inverse 1 by 2. So that sine of pi by 3 plus sine inverse 1 by 2, before I told you, that is called pi by 6. So it is become sine pi by 2. Why? 60 plus 30, 90. So sine 90 is 1. That is your answer. You understand clear? Check it once. Important question all this. It is a very, very important question for 1 mark. Note down. Okay. So now the problem is find the value of tan inverse root 3 minus cot inverse minus root 3. Tan inverse root 3 minus cot inverse minus root 3. Be careful. So here the solution you see that tan inverse root 3 minus cot inverse minus root 3. Before that you know cot inverse of minus theta is nothing can be written as pi minus cot inverse theta. Is right? By using this formula, tan inverse root 3 minus of cot inverse minus root 3 is nothing but pi minus cot inverse root 3. Expand the bracket, tan inverse root 3 minus pi minus into minus pi plus cot inverse root 3. Tan inverse root 3 plus cot inverse root 3 is, we know that pi by 2, and this is minus pi. So that is become minus pi by 2. Very simple. You know tan inverse theta plus cot inverse theta is pi by 2. So tan inverse root 3 plus cot inverse root 3 is pi by 2. Minus pi is there. Do you understand clear? So 90 minus 180 is minus 90. So it is nothing but minus pi by 2. Write down. Very simple problem. Okay. Now you come to the discuss. The 1 mark question will be important. Find the value of sine inverse of sine 2 pi by 3. Your students, what they will know? The students have know that sir, sine inverse of sine theta is equal to theta. When? If theta, sine inverse of sine theta is equal to theta, that means you can see that here the sine inverse range is always should be minus pi by 2 to plus pi by 2. Range, I am telling the sine inverse range is always should be minus pi by 2 to plus pi by 2. Not less than of minus pi by 2, not more than of pi by 2. Minus pi by 2 plus pi by 2, between the angle should be there. But here 2 pi by 3 we see it is more than of pi by 2. So that you never have to write the solution sine inverse of sine 2 pi by 3 is equal to 2 pi by 3. It will become wrong. Why means the range of sine inverse or the principal value of sine inverse is open close interval of minus pi by 2 to plus pi by 2. So then whatever the angle is given, that angle you have to make it between minus pi by 2 plus pi by 2. Not less than minus pi by 2, not more than pi by 2. So that you have to split it. How to split means see sine inverse of sine 2 pi by 3 is nothing but you can write here pi minus pi by 3. Just imagine 3 pi minus pi, 2 pi by 3. No? So sine in the second quadrant it is positive. So that sine inverse of sine pi by 3. Now sine inverse of sine theta is become theta. Why means the pi by 3 is lies between minus pi by 2 to plus pi by 2. Do you understand? Such type of problem will be very, very important. Carefully you have to do it. Why the sine inverse of sine theta is equal to theta? Why not writing? You have to go through the range. After the range you simplify, then you have to get the answer. You understand? Note down. Okay, now similar question. Find the value of cos inverse of cos 7 pi by 6. Same. You know the range is cos inverse range is close interval of 0 to pi. Whatever the angle you will get, 0 and pi, 0 pi between you have to get it. So that here given cos inverse of cos 7 pi by 6. 7 pi by 6 we see pi to more. So this angle will be not satisfied. So then cos inverse of cos, just you have to simplify this is. How to simplify? Pi plus pi by 6. Because trigonometric function does not change. In which angle? 180, 360, trigonometric function does not change. So that you have to write only pi or 2 pi. When the trigonometric function will be changed, that time will be 90 and 270. Means pi by 2, 3 pi by 2. So now this is called cos inverse of cos pi plus pi by 6 means the second quadrant cos is negative. So you have to write minus cos pi by 6. But you know the formula cos inverse of minus theta is pi minus cos inverse theta. So now you got here cos inverse of minus theta. Cos inverse of minus theta is become pi minus cos inverse of cos pi by 6. Why you know? Cos inverse, this total is theta. So cos inverse of minus theta is pi minus cos inverse theta. So that is called pi minus cos inverse of cos theta is pi by 6 between 0 to pi or not. So you can substitute pi by 6. So that is called answer is 5 pi by 6. 5 pi by 6 means 150 degree. That 150 degree is between 0 and pi. So that is your answer. Be careful for these steps. Note down. Okay? Okay. Now, this is the last question to you. Find the value of tan inverse of tan 3 pi by 4. It is also easy to you. Nothing that difficult that. Why means here tan inverse, the range is open interval of minus pi by 2 to plus pi by 2. Open interval means minus pi by 2 and plus pi by 2 is excluded. Is right? So now you can split, that is tan inverse of tan 3 pi by 4 is 135 degree. So pi by 2 more, but you want the pi by 2 less only. So you have to split tan inverse of tan pi minus pi by 4. Do you understand? 4 pi minus pi, 3 pi by 4. So now just you see that is called tan inverse of second quadrant is negative minus tan pi by 4. Is right? So that now tan inverse of minus theta is equal to minus tan theta, andre tan inverse of tan pi by 4, which gives the result is minus pi by 4. It is between excluded of minus pi by 2 and plus pi by triangle getting it. Do you understand? So up to 7 videos I send the inverse trigonometry. That inverse trigonometry topic is complete. Once you have to do practice, if you get doubt, then you can direct contact. Okay, bye, take care of.